Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can start learning Arduino and creating Arduino examples and circuits without having any real equipment or materials, which is quite expensive for many people. So before starting using Arduino and creating circuits, let's take a look about Arduino because there are many people don't know what is Arduino. So, what is Arduino? Arduino is an electronic card easily accessible and programmable by all, either beginner or expert. And that's why it's so popular because it is easy to use. So, as I said, Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs like, for example, light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or even a Twitter message, and turn it into an output like activating a motor, turning on a LED, publishing something online, and many other things. So you can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, you use the Arduino programming language, which is based on the C programming language and the Arduino software. So why Arduino? So thanks to its simple and accessible user experience, Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. It's a key tool to learn new things. Anyone like children, artists, programmers can start using Arduino just following step-by-step instruction of a kit or sharing ideas online with other members of the Arduino community. So today I'm going to show you a useful website which gonna help you to learn and start using Arduino without having a real equipment. This website is Tinkercad, as you can see here. In fact, you can find the link in the description below. So the first thing you need to do is to create a new account. Okay, so click here and create a new account, and then just fill in the form. Okay, just wait it. My connection is a bit slow, but here we go. So then just fill in this form. It's a simple operation. I'm not going to do it because I already have an account. So I just need to log in. Okay. Okay, and here we go. So as you can see, this website is used also to create 3 models, which is not our subject in this tutorial. So I'm going to switch to the circuits mode. So click on circuits here, and here we go. Then click on create a new circuit. Okay, so as you can see here, this website gives you a lot of components you can use to create your circuits, and there more if you switch to all, as you can see here. So there is a lot of components you can use it. So let's go back to basic. Since we're gonna create a simple circuit which turns on and off a LED. Sorry. It represents the hello world of the Arduino since it's the simplest example ever. So, as you can see here, we have a LED, resistor, push button, and if we go down, we can find an Arduino board. So we can find also a lot of things like photoresistor, ultrasonic distance sensor, and many other things. Okay, now to create our circuit, we're gonna need first of all an Arduino Uno card. So we're gonna take it and put it here. Okay, and here we go. So as you can see here, our card contains 13 digital pins which can be used as input or outputs. These digital pins can give us only two values, which are 0 volts or 5 volts. That's mean low or high. Okay, and we have also in this side 6 analog pins, as you can see here, which can be used as inputs only and can give us values between 0 volts and 5 volts. Okay, and we have also 3 grounds, 2 here and 1 here, as you can see. And we have the 5 volt pin, which will be used to supply the card with the power. So that's what you need to know for now to start using Arduino. Okay, we're gonna need also to create our example a breadboard. Okay, which is actually a construction base for prototyping of electronics. So I'm gonna take it and put it here. Okay. So as you can see, this breadboard contains a lot of holes, named connection points. So as you can see, we have horizontally connected points and vertically connected points. Okay, we're gonna need also to accomplish our example a LED. So a LED has 2 legs, as you can see here. The taller leg is the anode, which is the positive side, and the smaller leg is the cathode, which is the negative side. Okay, so we take this LED and put it here in our breadboard. Okay, so put it here. That's fine. And finally, we're gonna need a resistor which will be used to protect the LED, and we're gonna connect it with the negative LED of with the negative leg of the LED. Okay, as you can see here. Okay. Then we're gonna link the resistor with the ground. So put the cursor here and take it like this to the ground. Okay, there we go. And I gonna change the color to black. Okay. Then I will link the positive leg of the LED with the pin number 13. So I will take this and go to the pin number 13, which is a digital pin, as you can see here. Okay, and I'm going to change this color to red. Nice. Then okay, so by that our circuit is ready. It remains now to write the code which will turn on and off the LED. To do so, we go here to code and then change this to text. Okay, continue, and here we go. So by default there is a program here which is the program who will turns on and off the LED. So let's try to understand this program. Here, as you can see, we have 2 blocks. This step function, which is used to initialize the types of our pins, either input or output, and this function will be executed once when we run the program. And there it comes the loop function, in which we write the comportment of our circuit, and this function will be repeated until we turn off the power or we stop it. So in this step function we have an instruction, as you can see here, pin mode 13 output, and that means that we're gonna use the pin number 13, which is this pin, as an output, because it will send out a signal to the LED to turn it turn him on or off. Okay, then in the loop function we have four instructions. So as you can see here, the first one, which is digital write 13 high, and we have used digital write because we have used a digital pin, as you can see here. So this instruction will send 5 volts, which is the high value, to the LED, and so it will turn it on. And then we have this delay function, and it means stay on for 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. Then we have changed the high value by low here, and that means turns off the LED and then delay for 1 second, and then repeat the whole process, so our LED will blink until we stop the program or we turn off the power. Okay, so let's run our simulator, our simulation now, and see how it looks like. Okay, so hit this button, and here we go. As you can see, our LED is blinking. It turns on, wait for 1 second, and then it turns off, and then it turns on, wait for 1 second, and turns off, and so on. So this was how you can use this website to start using and learning Arduino. You can try to create other circuits with this website, like for example turning on and off a LED using a push button, and many other things. So, and if you are interested in using real equipments to create this example and many other things, let us know in the comments of this video to create more tutorials about Arduino. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If so, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be informed about our next tutorial.